Hello everyone, today I will present the progress our team has made over the last 2 weeks. As a quick recap, our project aims to solve the problem of inefficient public service delivery by creating a unified citizen profile. And our work during this period focused on two main tasks. First is expanding the life cycle framework with a focus on negative scenarios, and second, beginning the crucial process of structuring all this information for future analysis and AI integration.
Our team was responsible for developing the negative scenarios within the human life cycle. We expanded the initial mind map to not only show the ideal path but also the potential challenges and pain points a person might face at every stage. This detailed mapping is critical because it helps us understand when and why a citizen is most likely to need government support, allowing us to design proactive rather than reactive services. My specific tasks within the framework were to define the target groups and then design the data structure to capture all this information. I divided the primary target audience by regions, and I took responsibility for profiting the northern and western parts of Kazakhstan. This regional approach is important because the challenges, infrastructure, and even life scenarios can differ significantly between, say, Atrau and Petropavl. Understanding these regional nuances will be key to training accurate AI models later. The most critical part of my work was to transform our conceptual mind map and scenarios into a practical, structured database. This is the foundation for everything we will build next. I designed a multi-sheet structure for an Excel file, which will later evolve into a proper database. The core idea is to have one main profile per person with separate link tables for specific multifaceted information. The main profile sheet contains all the core demographic, economic, and social data for an individual, their life stage, regions, education, employment, resources, and values. This structure avoids data duplication and ensures integrity. It is not just a table, it's a relational model that allows us to ask complex questions like show me all low income families in the West region with more than two children and poor access to kindergartens. Finally, this structured data scheme directly enables the AI integration points we identified. Big data and NLP. This database becomes a training ground for our models. We can use big data analytics to find correlation between the stages, negative scenarios, and service needs. NLP can then be used to analyze citizen feedback or applications to automatically categorize their issues. Computer vision and recommender systems. With a structured profile, a recommender system can proactively suggest relevant services, benefits, or educational programs to a citizen based on their life stage, location, and past circumstances. Computer vision could eventually be integrated for document processing and verification. In conclusion, over the past 2 weeks, we have successfully moved from a conceptual framework to a concrete data architecture. We have a clear understanding of the challenges citizens face and have built a robust structure to house this information. This sets the perfect stage for the next phase, populating this model with data and beginning the technical development of our AI solutions.